How's it going, everyone? Brian here from Aquatech. So today I'm going to go over the basic cleaning of your edge sport housing after each use in the water. Okay, so you got home, unloaded your camera. Now you want to set your housing back up without your camera inside. And then what you want to do is fill up an empty tub. It can be like a storage tub or it can be your bathtub. You just want to make sure there's enough water to where you can fully submerge the sport housing. So you take your housing, dip it underwater, and just kind of swish it around and just clean it off really well with the fresh water. Now the second thing you want to do while you have your housing underwater is go over each button and push each button down. And that'll help clean out and flush out any sand or debris that may be caught inside the buttons. Now you also want to do that with these dials. So just move the dials in and out and just kind of flush them out with the fresh water. Now onto the clips. So you want to put the sport housing underwater and just push on the locking mechanism, kind of flush out the clips just in case there's any sand or debris inside the clip. Alright, so one of the last things you want to do with the housing together is flush out the AF shutter buttons. So hold the housing underwater, press the AF shutter button. You can even actually feel that it turns slightly. Same with the bottom one. Press it while holding underwater, turn it. And also one thing we recommend if you are a pistol grip user is taking your pistol off after each use. Take it off, flush out any sand or debris. And one of the main things is not having salt water sit in between the pistol and the sport housing for too long a time. That's why I recommend taking it off after each use. Alright, now the O-rings. Now we have already done a video on the O-rings, so make sure you search it on our YouTube channel and I'll go into full depth of how to remove the O-rings, clean them, and then put them back into place. For underneath the clips, where you see the spring, now if you have access to an air gun, you can blow it out with an air gun, or you can run it under running water. That will help flush out any sand and debris that may be caught underneath the clip. So that is just some basic cleaning tips that you want to do after each use of your edge sport housing. Now if you have any questions, please reach out to our experienced team, leave a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe, share it with a friend who might need to see this, and have a great day.